Okay.
Alrighty.
We made it.
Not douchey at all, but we're in the back seat of Houston's Rolls Royce, and we're going to discuss the little giveaway we're doing.
It's a Phantom. We got to define what kind of Rolls it is, because we could be driving like a
Dawn or a...
Well, like a 2011 Ghost.
Okay,
you
so
know,
what year
this
is
is extended wheelbase Phantom. It's white on white. It's a very nice car.
Check this out.
Yeah, I mean, you can't.
All the way.
I literally cannot even touch the seats
I
over
didn't
here.
realize how short your feet were.
Yeah,
Your
mine
legs.
mine are 5'7".
5'7", okay. 6'3".
Yeah.
But anyway, so Houston and I are doing a giveaway together. Thought this would be the perfect way for all of us to get together and have a stronger interaction with our subscribers, with our fan. I don't want to call it a fan base.
It's not a no.
Yeah,
That's weird.
With you guys, our little bros and big bros.
This giveaway is for you guys to be able to come down to Vegas or any place that we are, experience the cars that we have, and hang out with us.
Because without you guys, there wouldn't be us. It would. I've always said it. It would just be two old guys with the camera, talking into the camera and posting it online. So we absolutely appreciate all the support from you guys. So here's what I'm thinking. We will fly you guys out, the winner of this. 1, 2, or 3. Well, we have to pick right now. How many winners are you going to
I want 3 winners, okay? And it's different times. They're not everybody going to come at the same time, right? And you've got to be 18. Now, if you're 18, then it'll be great because what you can do is you can come out by yourself, maybe bring, it's a +1. We'll let you bring somebody with you.
Okay.
And, you know, you get to come, we'll do a ride-along. I'll take you guys on the 918. We'll do some super sick private road stuff.
Yeah. I'll give you a ride in one of my cars, too.
Edmund will take you guys in his brand new Subaru STI, and that'll be really fun. He'll do an airport transfer. He'll pick you guys up.
I'll do the show. You know what?
You can, if you want.
We'll go sideways at 100 miles an hour in the dirt. We'll go rally racing.
All right. Well, if
you can't do that in your
you
19.
can choose Edmund to pick you up from the airport, or this beautiful white Phantom. One of the two. Doesn't matter. You guys choose. It's up to you. Okay.
But my STI is white as well. If that makes any sort of difference. Well, you said white Phantom.
White Phantom.
All right.
I mean, okay, so if you're 18,
18 and over,
and you can ride along. If you're 25, I will let you have a Huracan for the day, and you got to have your own full coverage car insurance. You got to meet the requirements. All right.
Okay,
so
enough.
if you're 25, you'll be that. All right. Edmund's going to cover your state at the Wynn Encore because that's his favorite place, and he probably has like gambling points there. So it'll be the least cost-effective way for him to provide to this situation. So yeah, he's going to use his points to get you guys a good room, but it'll be at the Wynn, so that's pretty nice, you know?
So you get to spend a day with the two of us, for better or worse.
You can choose to spend a day with just Edmund, or just me, or both of us together.
Yeah, I feel like more people are going to choose you over me. So you'll get to drive a car, a supercar, and if you're under 25, we'll give you a ride along. You get to choose a driver. Obviously me. No one want to drive with this guy. I'm a crazy guy.
I'm going to let you know. Listen, please drive with him, because all liability and lawsuits can follow him. Okay?
Knock on wood. This is wood. This
is real wood.
This is plastic or wood?
It's a Rolls Royce. It's clearly wood.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, and on top of all that, well, wait, there's more.
There's more.
So we'll go to racetrack around here, and you'll get to race against Houston and I. 5 laps. If you beat both of us, what's the prize pool?
I honestly have no idea. That's just, if you beat us, you get the bragging rights. I mean,
and $1,000. Toss in $1,000.
Okay.
All right. You get $1,000 if you beat us, which probably isn't gonna. You might beat him. I don't know if he'll beat me. If you beat me,
clearly, I have a really fast time at the racetrack. I have one of the fastest times at Speed Vegas.
In his, yeah, you know what?
In a Performante.
You've been there a million times. You know the track inside and out. So
I've driven 6 laps in that track in total. All right. 2 of them were under a minute and 10 seconds.
Okay. Is that fast?
It's really fast.
Okay.
All right. Average person drives average good driver does a minute 14, so I'm 5 seconds faster than the average good driver.
That's pretty fast on a short track.
Jesse did 130. No, I think it was 122. Okay. You guys look at the video. I don't know.
Big difference between 122 and 130. So anyway, you'll get to do all that. On top of it all, if you call now,
call right now. Okay.
You'll get to see the hypercar Houston and I are building. So there are only about, what, 15, 20 people that have seen renderings of this car. You can't take any pictures,
and
obviously.
The only reason that anybody, the 15 have seen it is because they're prospective buyers.
Correct.
Okay, and this is an invite-only kind of buy my car if I choose you to buy my car thing, just like every other hypercar. So, so far 15 people have been selected to see it. And I actually think we're going to sell them to all the 15 people that have seen it because they're really pumped about it.
There's not one single person that hasn't liked the car.
Not only liked it, but been like, oh my god,
but been absolutely in love with it and said this is the best looking car in the world. It really is, guys. Trust me, it's the best looking car in the world. We're going to unveil this car at Geneva 2020, so you're going to see this car.
We're going to continue to unveil this car as soon as it's ready, okay? But we pushed it from Monterey. We were thinking about SEMA. Now it's Geneva. It could be in 2025. All right, just putting it out there.
2020 Geneva. This car's being unveiled. We better make it happen. I'm in charge of the interior, and we split the exterior. And Houston's in charge of the engine and transmission.
I've done the engine. I've done the exterior. I've done the transmission.
You have not done. Okay,
hold on.
Houston did the exterior, which looked like shit.
No, it didn't. It was a rough draft with a sketch artist. Okay. And when we sat down and talked, and I said, "Hey, I want to add these things."
Okay. Enough.
All I'm trying to say is that
we're talking about the giveaway.
Okay,
enough. Listen.
1 second.
Giveaway.
All of my things have been done. Edmund's interior hasn't even started yet.
I have renderings of it. We're not going to talk about that. I will show you guys. You get to spend a day with the two of us, the two clowns over here. Stay at the Wynn or Encore, your choice. Have dinner, lunch with us. You get to drive supercars. Get to race supercars, and you get to see pictures of our hypercar. Before media even sees it. So I think that's a pretty hell of a giveaway.
Should we add like 1995 extra special here? Because I feel like we're giving away so much.
This is enough. This is plenty.
Do you want to fly them out on Southwest? You know, I think that's great. You know, get a nice plane.
Well, yeah, I mean, we're flying you guys out as well, so we're covering the expenses for the flight.
Please,
anywhere in the world.
Please don't be from like Australia, okay? I can't afford those flights.
If you live in the southern hemisphere, Houston's gonna pay. If you live in the western side of the United States, I'll cover it.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly. If you live in California, close to the Burbank Airport,
I'll give you a ride here in my SDI. So, what are the rules to winning this? We haven't even discussed the rules. Okay, so you obviously have to be subscribed to both channels.
I mean, subscribe, yeah, but honestly, I mean,
who wouldn't want to subscribe?
Subscribe is. You guys are already subscribed. That's a great thing, right? But I want people to interact and engage with our stuff. Right. You know, we want support from the channel and
Instagram and YouTube. Follow both of those accounts. Well, all four, because I have two. He's got.
It's really more of a comments thing, right? I mean, honestly.
So how do we pick the winner if it's a comments thing? I was thinking we Instagram live, and choose like a random person. Okay, why don't we do that?
I did that with CJ So Cool. And we did an Instagram live. It was great. We picked 3 people. And we set a date for the Instagram live, so it was like specifically on this day, so everybody knew.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, Sunday afternoon when everybody's off work,
okay.
And they go on live. We ask, you know, some questions and about some of the videos that we've done, right, to see if they've been watching them, and we'll.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm new to this YouTube thing. I can't think of anything.
I'm thinking we're literally creating this giveaway at the top of our head. Okay. If you couldn't tell.
Yes.
Improv.
So,
yeah, I mean, look, man, you guys just follow the stories.
How about this? We'll come up with the rules in upcoming videos. For now, you've got to be subscribed to both of our channels and our Instagram accounts. We will pick a person on live, Instagram live. We might ask some questions. Whoever answers it first.
Guys, we're going to have to come back to you with this, okay? We're not prepared to give anything away yet.
We should have probably thought about this. Listen, we'll figure out how we're going to give this
Title
away.
Of this video, Failed Giveaway Attempt, *, emotional, okay? Damn it, I wanted to do some giveaways so bad. We just can't think of the rules.
Surprise ending.
Surprise! The giveaways kind of happened, but we don't figure it out. We haven't figured it out yet, okay? Okay, we'll figure it out soon.
Yeah, we will. Bye.
Alright guys, we're gonna call Houston.
Mark, you just put me on the spot here. Oh, look at that! Hola.
Hello.
¿Qué pasa? By the way, alright, you see this? Houston, I'm recording.
Okay, that's really cool.
Okay. Alright, so.
Recording with a camera on a camera.
Camera on a camera, FaceTiming you in Hawaii while I'm at work.
Okay, well, actually, I went on a vacation and it's pouring rain every day. So.
Okay, thank God. Yeah. God answered all my prayers. We already talked about what happens. What are the requirements? 100,000 subs for me. Very easy goal, right? I mean, I'm gonna be there within about a month, right? At the end of the month, I'm gonna be at 100K. You want to be at 400K? Is that good for you?
I'm at 380, so you know, that's, I guess.
All right,
that's
450.
A very attainable goal. Let's try to get to at least 450.
Okay, 450 for you.
Better,
I just recently took a sub. It was like 3 days ago. I took a subscriber out to the track, had a hell of a time. I let him drive my car. Very similar to the giveaway you and I are doing. So let's make this happen as soon as possible. I'm going to Europe. I'll be back in about like 6 weeks. So I figure in 6 weeks I'll be at 100K. You could be at 450. So we'll do the giveaway then. Is that good with you?
That works for me, yeah.
Okay, so 450 for you.
That'll be July, like the second week of July.
No, end of July.
End of July. 6 weeks. No.
Okay.
So
right.
yeah.
So 100K for me, 450 for you, and follow both of our Instagram accounts. You good with that?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm good with that.
All right. So why was this so hard that we couldn't come up with this the other day?
I don't know. We're not very smart. Yeah, so I think it's because we had a 25-minute Rolls Royce interview, and then we had like 2 weeks to think about it after that.
Yeah.
And so now we've already done our due diligence and we're smarter. So that's why we've got this easy, beautiful 1 minute conversation about the rules and regulations.
True. What'd you think of my 918 video?
I haven't watched it yet.
You have? Okay. Hey, do not watch it because I don't want to get the phone call. I can't believe you did that to my car. Why'd you launch it so many times? Just don't watch it, bro. It was a very, very, very boring video.
I literally have not even driven the car. When did you film that video? 10 days ago?
Yeah, about a week ago.
Okay, I haven't driven the car since you were the last person to drive the car.
Okay,
right?
you know, let's keep it that way, okay? I don't want you to drive the car. Just leave the car to me until September.
Okay, well, I'm going to drive it again, but I haven't checked if it's broken yet. I haven't watched your video, one, and I haven't checked if it's broken.
It's not broken, and my video sucks. Do not watch it. I don't want to get a phone call in the middle of the night. All right, dude. Enjoy your trip. So we got the rules. I'm gonna put this video out. You good with that? I'll send it to Mario so Mario uploads it on your page as well. Alright, brother.
Alright, bye.
Enjoy your trip. Bye. Cool. So now we know the rules, right? So follow Houston's Instagram and his YouTube page. His Instagram count does not matter. Let's get his YouTube page up to 450. My Instagram count doesn't matter, but let's get my YouTube page up to 100K, which I should be there in like 30 days anyway. So by the time I'm back from Europe, I'm already going to be there. As far as the Ferrari, should we talk about the Ferrari giveaway? We should. So the Ferrari giveaway, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. If by some miracle we get to 500 subs, yes, I'll honor my word. I will give the car away. But that goal, I guess, was like really high, which I had to set a really high goal because I'm giving away a $200,000 car, so I have to get something in return. We only have 70,000 views on the video, so the video hasn't been shared enough times to reach the goal of 500K. So because of that, I feel kind of guilty, which is the whole reason why we're doing this giveaway. We're going to bring 3 people from anywhere in the world to Vegas. You can have a day with Houston and I, driving cars, racing us, prize pool at the end if you beat us. It should be fun. Good enough. So, this isn't Instagram. There's no sign up. Just subscribe to both of us and follow our Instagram pages. That is all. Enjoy. Ciao. Well, 1 sec. All right, stand. Let me see what it looks like. No, stand up, you moron. Go back.
Where am I supposed to stand?
All right. No, that's too far. Come closer. Oh my god. No, like that. Oh, can you be serious for once? Hey guys, crazy Vegas giveaway filled with supercars.
Hold the goddamn camera.
Yeah.
What is this? Start talking.
I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Hey, listen. Don't point. Say what I told you to say.
No, but I thought you were starting it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're doing a crazy. Would you say it?
I thought we were just gonna start and then I was just gonna.
No, we're supposed to say it at the same time.
All right. Okay.
Doing a crazy giveaway.
Okay.
In Vegas. Doing a crazy Vegas giveaway filled with supercars,
hypercars,
and supercars. Swipe up to find out how.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're doing a crazy Vegas giveaway filled with hypercars and supercars. And
supercars and hypercars.
Swipe up to find out how.
Sounds like. All right. Okay. Okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're doing a supercar giveaway.
This is definitely going in the outtakes.
Hey guys, we're doing a crazy.